On the outskirts of Hawera, a New Zealand farming town, is the famous Tawhiti Museum. The Farm Power Hall is one of three main attractions at the museum. This display of vintage equipment is centred around a collection built up by local enthusiast Bruce Alexander. The building was opened in 2004, which was exactly 100 years from the very first farm tractor demonstration held in New Zealand. It is easy to trace the development of several famous tractor brands through the various models on display. I can't help but wonder if this brand of tractor moved as fast as their cars did. Tractors have always been a popular toy, and some were actually made in the nearby town of Stratford. And they are now very much collector's items. Every early New Zealand dairy farm had their own cream separator, and turning the cream into butter by hand was an everyday task for the farmer's wife. For me, the most exciting exhibit was this beautifully restored Burrell steam-powered traction engine. It must have looked so magnificent moving across the landscape. There is so much more to see and investigate at the farm-powered exhibition at the Tawhiti Museum, Hawera, New Zealand.